What's the meaning of bathing costume? Bathing costume. Bathing costume.
Bathing costume. Bathing costume. A bathing costume is a clothing designed to be worn while swimming or doing other water-related activities, such as sunbathing. It typically consists of a top and a bottom, covering the chest and pelvic area respectively. The term bathing costume dates back to the 1800s when public bathing became popular and specialized clothing was necessary to maintain modesty. In the early 1900s, the one-piece bathing suit became fashionable for women, and in the 1920s, men's bathing suits began to resemble shorts. Today, bathing costumes come in many styles and materials, including bikinis, tankinis, trunks, and rash guards, and can be used for both recreational and competitive purposes.